Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'm going to um, guide you about the application process for Italian scholarship. So I will be going to explain the whole process. How can you find the specific scholarships in Italy, plus what are the requirements for the Italian scholarship, and what are the which countries are eligible for this scholarship. So I will be covering all these topics in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end so your questions could be answered. And don't forget to subscribe this channel because I will be going to upload new videos regarding different scholarships in different countries. So let's start this video. So I'm sharing my screen right now. I hope you can see my screen now. So you need to open this link in your browser. So I will be sharing this link in your in video description so you can easily access this link. So this link is basically a link from the Italian government. So this specific scholarship is granted to the international students by the Italian government. So this is a fully funded scholarship program, and this is initiated by the Italian government. So there are some requirements for the scholarship, and you have to fulfill those requirements. So let's just see the requirements for this scholarship. So first of all, this is the grant for foreign and Italian citizens living abroad awarded by the Italian government. So this is, as I have said earlier, that this scholarship is specifically granted by the Italian government. So call for application for academic year 2020 and 21 is now open. So deadline is already, you can see this deadline is already crossed, but for the next phase you can apply from this specific website. So for the previous section, for the previous academic year, it is now closed, but for the next academic session it will be open very soon. So make sure you read these requirements before the time so you can easily make your documents ready, and you have all the documents needed for this for the application of the scholarship. So let's move forward. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation will be handling this whole procedure and whole program. So they will be vetting your application, they will be reviewing your application, and once they see that you are eligible for the scholarship, and then they will decide the number of applicants and the scholarships available for those applicants. So scholarships are available to attend academic courses in Italy only. So this specific scholarship is only eligible for the academic courses in Italy. So you will not be allowed to enroll in any other country for using this scholarship. So the list of eligible foreign countries can also be found on the website. So you can see the um, list of the eligible countries from this link. So this is the complete process, and also the list of the available countries. So first of all, grants opportunity. So um, this section will be explaining the opportunities of grants for regarding the specific scholarship. So grants for master's degree courses, courses for higher education in arts, music, dance, and PhD programs are awarded for a period of study of 9 months, right? Number two, Eligibility. So, what is the eligibility? Applicants who will meet the following requirement by the deadline of this call may apply for a grant. So, you can read these um, requirement, and once you see that you are eligible for this grant, so you can easily apply for this scholarship. Funding period, so they have assigned specific funding period for this specific scholarship. In eligibility, they have also written the some rules that when will you be considered an eligible candidate for this scholarship. Submission of applications, so application must be completed and submitted online. Form available upon registered and the following links. So you need to go to this link, and you need to apply online and submit all your documents on this specific website. So this specific website is only um, designated for the Italian government scholarships. So you need to apply on on this specific website. Then application must be submitted by 2 p.m. October 22nd, 2020. So for 2021, same period will be adopted. So you make sure that you get your documents ready before this call. So hopefully they will open the scholarship applications for 2021 and 2022 by the end of May, or by the end of uh, June. So these applications will be open soon. So you make sure you have all the documents ready. So deadline will be October, around October 2021, right? So let's discuss about the selection and awarding of grant. So what will be the selection process? Applicants will be evaluated by the committee set up by the Italian diplomatic mission accredited in the applicant's country of origin. So applicants will be vetted, their education background will be checked, their internships, their job experience will be checked. The letter of motivation is very important. The English proficiency is scores are very important. So all these parameters will be judged in the application. This will be judged by a committee which will decide the uh, application's final result. Next is awarding. Grants will be awarded on the basis of the criteria indicated in R2 of the present call. So you can see the section 2 of the specific document, and the awarding will be uh, granted according to those rules. Ranking. The relevant diplomatic mission will publish on its website the list of grantees. So once they select the number of scholarships, the successful applicants who has got the scholarship, so they will release a list of the students who will successfully won the scholarship. So tuition fees. Grantees may be exempted from the payment of enrollment and tuition fees depending on the policy of each university. So there are different universities in this scholarship. So it depends on the university you are applying, that whether they will exempt your fees, tuition fees or admission fees or not, right? So you will be also getting some funding, plus you will be also your tuition fees and your application fees will also be exempted. Health and medical insurance. Grantees will be covered by a health and medical insurance. So this grant and this scholarship is will also provide you the health and medical insurance. So this is really beneficial for the international students. Next term is the terms of grant. Grantees will receive a 900 euros monthly allowance on a quarterly basis, which will be paid on their Italian bank account. So these scholarship will be paid quarterly, right? So after um 4 months, they will be getting 3600 euros in their Italian bank account. So you need to have Italian bank account. Once you go to the Italy, you can easily create an Italian bank account there, and you can provide that bank account details to the scholarship committee. So they will release your payments after 3 to 4 months into your bank account. So for 1 month, it will be 900. So after quarter, so you will be getting around 3600 euros. Right. So incompatibility, the grant is incompatible with any other grant offered by the Italian government or any other Italian public institution. So it means that if you're getting or if you're availing any other scholarships than Italian government scholarships, so you will not be you will be considered ineligible. So keep in mind that you can only avail one scholarship at a time. So if you want to avail any other scholarship, then you have to withdraw from this scholarship. So this is the clause of these scholarships. After that, you can read the application process here, call for application, complete PDF, and the list of the eligible countries. So you can easily find your if you are eligible for the scholarship or not. So you can see if whether your country is um, in this list or not. So these are the countries for which the scholarship is open, and for which these uh, residents of these countries can apply for the scholarship, right? So this is the complete process of the scholarship. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to answer those questions. So make sure you press the subscribe button, so you will be notified for the next video whenever we will be uploading new videos. So take care of yourself and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.